Man, I get this work, 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 work. All I do is work, 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 work. All I do is work, 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 work. All I do is work, 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 work. Bessie B and man, I get this work, work, work.
It is, bro.
Oh, we just watched it too.
All right. Alright, how do these go back on? Oh, we should put these on first.
No. After. Last second.
One second. No, this one's on the 10.
There you go.
Oh, a little bit. A little bit there.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad. Okay, boys, we've got a little bit of a drop thing. I'll drop it. Yeah, always the 10 mil drops. I heard that. That's why I said leave it for a second. Oh, we got it. Guess what, guys? What? That little extra noise there is just never good. Never good. I said them will touch.
Work, 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 work. All I do is work, 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 work. All I do is work, 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 work. All I do is work, 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 work. Man, I get this.
Done.
Are we gonna put the liners back in this shit? Yeah.
Eventually.
And then do the charge pipe? Yep.
You want us to do it or not?
Absolutely.
We still gotta put the lip on too.
Oh yeah, true.
Let's do the charge pipe, so then the hard part's out of the way, and then the lip's easy, yeah?
Whichever
2
way you
seconds.
like. I'm gonna be.
Let's do the charge
How
pipe.
about we let the mechanic decide?
Nah, I'm not a mechanic, bro.
Nah, you know what I mean.
I'm just a person.
No, you can't get it up, eh?
Nah, I never can. Hold it.
Yeah, go, go.
Done. Let it go.
Tell them how you do it.
Okay. I can't reach you guys. Yeah? Can't get it. Use the last 2 tabs. Have it over on both ends so you can reach it out. Then your mate goes and collects
The
it.
minion picks it up.
Yeah, what? You're losing. You're losing grip, bro.
No, I got it.
Are you sure?
No! This one's a fighter, bro. Ah! Why is that? Edit that out. This one's a fighter, cuz. Who's holding this? Who's in there?
Who wants
Who's
to
in
see
there?
go fishing with Vedran too then?
Ah! Nah, cuz that one's got me f***ed up. Bro, squash my thumb. Can't. Start again. Get your mate to do nothing because he's getting beaten. He's getting beaten by the jet sprayer, bro. Doesn't even use his hands, nothing. Look, my thumb gets squashed. Look at the state of that. But it's actually deformed.
Hold on.
What a stitch up.
Show him your deformed pinky too.
Yeah,
Might
you got a good there.
yeah, you did.
Alright, so what we're doing is Vedran decided to buy a front lip for his 220i
245i.
LTW.
245i / dash something wannabe something car. I'm guessing bum is for the
Ba ba ba.
bar.
Where
Yeah,
does that go?
This part will come here like that. See there, like that.
Oh yeah.
Look, you'll see where it stops.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Huh? Now back on.
Should we wait, hang on a sec.
Probably.
Like that?
Yes.
Oh yeah, like that. Should we use the big black ones and just throw them in there? Sure.
Where are the big black
Behind you, there's 2 in the thing. Oh, look at that, it just comes straight up.
Yep, perfectly.
Alright. So
Yes.
that looks pretty cool. That actually looks pretty cool.
Superman.
Dude, it actually makes it look pretty.
Actually makes it look mad.
Dude.
Oh, it's a f***ing shit.
So the only thing that's left,
Charge pipes.
charge pipes.
Yeah.
And then we have to order downpipes.
Yeah, downpipes.
I'm going to order them next week. Alright, what do we do here? Teach me.
Okay.
Am I taking off both?
Or
just
taking
one?
out everything. Oh, you
This
don't
one?
need both right now.
And that's
That,
it.
then take that one off.
So we've got to take this airbox out too.
Yes. And then if we're going to take the airbox out, we've got to take this off.
Taking what off?
I'm not
Then.
taking
The
that.
cowl.
Nah,
You know
fuck
how
that.
much of a bitch it is to take the cowl
Yeah,
off?
now how to put it back in?
I reckon that's aftermarket.
Which one?
That pipe, I reckon this is aftermarket.
This is bullshit.
That's not
isn't
genuine. That's
Someone's
an
plumbed the
aftermarket.
back, bro.
Because I've looked online, I cannot find any other 135s that have this.
This is bullshit.
Yeah, look at it, bro. This is not OEM.
It is. It's BMW blue.
That's
Yeah,
the
what
color
the
the
fuck?
calipers
Plug it
gonna
on the
be,
bottom,
yeah?
Yeah, take that one off. And
The
then
bottom
I'll
one?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a sec.
Give me a second before that too.
Should we take the airbox off?
Yeah,
This one.
yeah. So this comes up. Oh, it's cracked.
What?
The,
Oh, that's why I'm getting my O2 sensor fault.
Huh? Whatever.
that's not gonna make a difference, bro.
Yeah, go. That's one off. You can take that off. Oh, oh no.
We can take it out later.
Oh, bro, what the hell is this? What brand
Is
is
that
it?
a blow valve?
What brand is it?
Forge.
Forge.
Oh, Forge is pretty good brand.
Yeah. Forge is. Yeah. I don't know.
Used to be. Not anymore in this bloody car.
Well, there's two of them here, bro. This
What?
forged stuff.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna make it one soon.
I don't want to drop another one of these because
Okay.
I don't even know if we can find the first one. Griggy, hold on to that.
Oh, look at that, upgraded.
Is it?
Now we need to get the upgraded of that.
Don't scratch it, please.
That's just pride and joy.
Yeah.
Fuck joy.
Bok choy, yeah. What's this?
Get me.
At 10 mil.
10 mil here. Yeah.
Stock keys.
Too cool for school, bro.
Give me
It'd be good if these were actually tight. That'd be a bonus,
No,
eh?
never. That don't need to be tight.
Actually.
Never.
Yeah, but they're also don't need to be loose as a goose.
Almost one more.
She ready, bro? She ready. Suck that.
Look at that. Look how much room we have now.
What's this stuck to?
Nah, there's a. It's like the rubber things.
Oh, the rubber grommet thing there.
Yeah.
Wait.
You just gotta lift it up.
That's it. Wiggle it out.
We got it
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
Done. Out.
Where this come from? Oh,
That we got to feedback on. Don't pull it off. Do you take that?
Yeah, because it's a bitch.
oh, bro, this is heavy.
Yeah.
What the f are these, bro? Yeah, pass it. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, all this is
Oh, yeah, watch out.
there.
Starts. Oh, no.
Watch out for this one. This is plastic and the brakes easy. That's that. Now.
Charge. Make a charge out. Oh, it's connected to the sensor. Hang on.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
nothing, bro.
Is that-
Get the thing.
That's a MEF sensor.
Yeah.
Is that the one that's throwing my codes? Or
Yeah,
is that...
probably is. What the fuck is that?
Yeah, no, you got to take it off the flange. I think you got to take it off the flange.
No.
guys. Yeah, you got to take it off the
Get
flange.
the plan. Oh,
Turn
you
the.
can
Is it a?
just- I'm trying to, bro.
What is it?
It is
Phillips
not stocky.
star key.
Yeah. One big.
Bro, look how they put it.
Wow.
It's
Okay.
bent, bro. This is cheap.
I
Shit.
believe it's cheap shit.
Single.
So you're gonna want to suss out if it's that one too smaller.
What the?
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah.
That's it, mine.
Bro, this has got shit in it, bro. Look at that. What's that? Why is there oil in here?
Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
It will have oil.
Why is that happening?
BMW, bro.
Screw cuts. Which one? One that you
Oh,
dropped?
you don't need because in your kit it comes with.
But what about the one that's in there?
Right, it doesn't matter. It's
No,
part of
but-
the car now.
No, we gotta get it out.
Yeah, you're never gonna find that one. That one's a tiny one, bro.
Let's see if I can. Oh, there it is.
Chargepipe found it.
Hey! Is that it?
Nah.
It was a hexagon.
Have you realised we've been trimming our weight once in a while?
Yeah.
Oh, go on first.
We trimmed the weight, Vedran puts it back on.
Yeah, right there.
Fucking rude.
Yeah. Weird.
Hang on.
Hey bro, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Okay.
Where's the other
One.
screw?
And then we'll make a tighter, this one.
1 second.
And
before
hopefully-
yeah, that's the way.
And then hopefully, I don't get in on the engine light. And if I do, I know who to call.
Hey, it's actually gone, bro, that's the wrong way.
Still learning, bro.
No, I just wanted to be an ass. How you said.
Tight or not tight?
Yeah, that's
Not
it,
too
that's
tight,
it.
not too tight.
Oh, f me.
2 turns is more than that's it. One more, half turn, that's it, perfect.
You love like leaving things loose, eh?
No, it's plastic. Plastic shrinks on the heat.
Oh wait, what's the next thing? Where's this bunger going?
It's the engine
There
bay.
you go, bro. You can hold this one. You can hold this one, bro, and I'll get that one back. Oh, that's the best one.
Nice spot, bro.
Yeah, worst spot.
You said now it's part of the car.
Nah, that one I needed.
That one's a. That
Wait,
one's
let me
a
get,
for
let me
sure.
get, let me get. I've got long arm.
That's for that banger.
Oh, you could have said that.
You're close. You're close.
Greggy, I need some light. Where's that little flashy again?
Your flash is dead.
No, flashy's alive somewhere.
Yeah.
Here, I'll help you.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Oh, there's another clip down here, you bastards. Have you got that long thing that like grabs shit?
Yeah.
You don't have it?
Bunnings.
Even I have that at home.
Yeah, that's good, bro. I done drop things.
Oh, I f***ed up. It was a mistake.
Yeah, I know.
No,
Hey, bro, I found where it needs to go.
Oh, yes.
the fully tabuli's coming out.
Look at what we got. Look at what we got.
Huh?
We got something.
Remember before? Comes sealed. And the HKS is on the T-pieces.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Yep. That's how you know it's a fake. I maybe put that down.
Oh, far out.
Did
Funny.
everything, bro. Alright, give me some more.
You're lucky you didn't see it.
No, I just heard it. I didn't need to see it, bro, because I heard bing!
Hey, bro, do you need this in your life?
I think you need love and support, bro.
No, apparently my car needs that. This, but this,
Yeah.
there's a way that this goes in. Hold
Yeah,
it.
it's called a circlamp. I know
Yeah,
what
but,
it is.
no. But see, there's an edge on here.
Yeah.
That edge, I think,
The
is
edge goes
this
top.
way.
Yeah.
Boys. Read.
My bad. Oh, I can't.
Okay.
Clamp with the thing up. That's the wedge,
That's
yeah.
the curve. Yeah, wedge
Oh
up.
man. Is that right though? Yeah, that's it. Boom, boom, boom. Then that. So we have this one.
What's that?
We need this for. Oh, it's a filter. It's actually a filter. Look.
Oh, nice. That's pretty cool.
Hey, Habobs. They give you a little filter for the thing.
For the banga.
For the banga filter.
So show us your blow off valve. Have a look.
Moving that out of the way so it doesn't
Okay.
So you got
Pull
more
that
room.
back. Pull that whole hose back.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feed her up.
Once we get that secured,
Maybe we shouldn't have tightened that, eh?
No.
We shouldn't have tightened it so you can like wiggle room.
Not an issue.
Nah, you want it tight.
No, because like
If you don't want it
it's
to
kinky.
slip down onto the armor.
Oh, like
Easy
further
push it,
down.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then what are you going to do to bring it back?
Wow. No, bro. It's not my domain, bro. It's your domain. Here.
Oh, yeah, I'm looking.
You were holding it.
I don't remember, bro.
Does it go from bottom or top? Put it on. So it's probably easier to take off like that later, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just do it from the top and that's it.
Talking about?
Hmm.
What are you talking about?
What did you say?
You like those people that tell you to get things that you can't do? If you sell them the things you can't do. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
Do you?
I can't hear him.
Should I ask him to turn on the subtitles?
Oh yeah. Yeah, bad. What the f are you saying? I can't hear you. I can't hear ya. You're legitimately talking to the wall, huh?
He wasn't talking to us, he was talking to the walls. Let's hear it. Alright, so this guy hates carbon.
I don't hate carbon. I just don't
You're
like
anti-carbon, why is that?
because carbon emissions in the world.
Yeah, but what does that have to do with bloody carbon fibre?
What does it sound weird?
That's the lifters, bro.
That's the lifters, bro.
It sounds like.
And it's got electronic injectors. So
Yeah, the injectors are loud as hell, bro.
Oh, there we go.